I'm on Orme Avenue in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is really well presented, 3-bedroom semi-detached property. It's got a lovely mature garden to the front and a driveway to the side providing off-road parking. And as we enter the property, go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which on your right leads on through to this tastefully decorated bay-fronted lounge. The lounge also has double doors leading through to the kitchen diner. Just through here, as you can see, it's a really nice modern kitchen diner complete with an island in the middle, getting plenty of natural light through the windows. And to the rear of the property we have a well-maintained garden with decking, later lawn grass and mature plants as well. Orme Avenue is in the popular Ozone area of Salford M6, within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital and within catchment of Ellesmere Park High School as well, making it a popular location for professionals and families alike. Upstairs on your first left we've got a nice modern 3-piece shower room, a large double bedroom, which you can see a really good size. And we've got a second double bedroom, which benefits from the bay window. And finally we have the third room, which is still a generous size. Properties in this location are incredibly popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.